We talk about how can you create your wish list on your Get Your Guide app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on wish list here, just click on it. You come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this here in this list. Then all you have to do next, so you just go here above this sign, click on it, you just click on this sign. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then here add your list name here. So then when you're down here, you just click on done. Then automatically here it's going to create with you your wish list on your Get Your Guide app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. So just follow these ways, that it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.